Okay, here's a brand new Lennox Merit central air conditioning unit. Currently not running. It is a 2-ton from 2025. Nice. Another 2025 unit. And this has R454B refrigerant. Nice. Awesome. My first R454B unit I found so far. Looks like it's got an LG scroll compressor. Interesting line set. Has been running. But yeah. This unit is located at the apartment complex here in Iowa City. They filmed out lots of times. This unit replaced a Lennox unit that was having problems in 2023. The fan, I think the fan motor died on it, and it wouldn't sound good. Yeah, the unit wouldn't sound good. It would make a angry noise from the compressor. But yeah, very interesting unit with R454B refrigerant, which is a new refrigerant being used in central units as of 2025. This light is just running, just turned off. This one's running. There's that airflow I got starting up a couple months ago. But yeah, just I get a brand new. But yeah, just I get a quick video of this brand new unit. Anyway, thanks for watching.